You still want a cheeseburger? Really? Huh? Cheeseburger and what? Mayonnaise? What else? And tomato. And lettuce. What else you want? That's it? And a Snicker bar. Okay. And a Pepsi. Alright, we'll make it happen. Huh?
2 bags of
What?
Cookies.
A cookie? From Pizza Hut?
I'm not buying that.
Okay. And a cookie from Pizza Hut. And wings. The barbecue sauce with the wings from the ones from Pizza Hut. Alright, we'll make it happen. All today after your surgery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You take me?
Will I take you? Sure. You can do that today after your surgery? Yeah? Okay, we'll do that.